Phone na quite far. Odumbo. Samson. Ntike.
Papaya. Nenye muli.
Phone semen.
Muli you have one.
What thing happen now? What thing be all these ones? Do you saw?
You get just half coming up my face.
I think you me on there. Abusu. Joy. No, you want to tell me say that small girl. Na men do not like this. Ntike.
Papaya.
Yeah. You can always tell me the truth.
Yes.
Which motor jam on now? The motor tell on fire. Believe or not, that small girl and I come. But me zoom, the motor tell on.
Papaya. If you say na better motor jam us this thing, for good. This one na spiritual motor. Na dang good in the dang all of us. Joy, lebe room na. Moka later.
Joy, I saw. Which one be spiritual motor? Can I say far? Can you be spiritual motor? Damn good. Can you quite far? Huh? Can you be spiritual motor? Go down, I saw. Come on, reduce your height.
Ogini.
Yeah, they can spiritual down good. You can't go na. You can't go na.
Baba that girl na mosu. Baba that girl na witch, I swear. See my face na me Samson. My the girl think say na me be Samson for Bible. The Delilah finish me up. Baba.
Boy. You trying to say that girl na mosu? No, small girl wa no na mosu. You so go sebe. Hi. Ma base. Eche na menwe me. Mam no poto kama na hano. Licha wos. Ndeli leli.
Okay, bro.
You know what? We are going back there.
Eh?
You kuloku. You kuo gini. You trouble say. Kuloto iso. That's what my friend in Apala. Kuloto iso. I said you iso. I said we are going back there. He said but kuloto. No. Kuloto. We are going back there. Come on, go.
Hey.
Papaya at your own risk go. At your own risk.
So I'm about going out. Make sure you take care of yourself, okay? Just try. Let me just rush to the market and get something, okay? And make sure you eat. You know you don't like eating. Make sure you eat something. I'll be back. Fine, though. Make sure you eat something, though.
What is this? You're in my way.
Beautiful girl. You see, I know we started wrongly. I know we've been fighting, but I want us to stop fighting and settle.
Me? Settle with you?
And I'm sorry for everything I did to you. But if you agree to be mine, I promise you heaven and earth, I will do anything, in fact, everything in this world to make you happy.
If I agree to be yours?
Exactly.
Please, you will agree. Explain to me, because I don't understand. What do you mean by if I agree to be yours? What's that?
Hey, Joma, you're a pregnant woman. And you need to be serviced at all times. My brother is dead and gone. So, let me service you so that you enjoy it and your baby will come out smoothly. And then your baby can have Uncle Jagaban.
Wait. If I get you correct, you're asking me come and sleep with you.
If that is the only way you can say it, but I know it's not romantic, then yes.
Are you mad? Or is there something wrong with you? Have you gone nuts? How dare you ask your late brother's wife to come and sleep with you? Are you crazy or something? Are you alright?
That is exactly what I'm saying. It's the same thing. Your husband, my late brother, is dead and gone. He's at the mortuary, lying down there. Let's leave the dead for the dead and let the living enjoy themselves. My brother is no more. He is dead. So I am the only one here. Let me service you. Let me grease that place. You see, for the records, you need something to be entering there.
So you're the one that will grease it now?
Exactly.
You're the one.
Listen, I am Jagaban. Anything I do remains final. If I grease this place for you, I promise you your baby will come out smoothly. Very smooth. See, I'm sorry, okay? I promise you I will make you happy.
Just get out of my sight.
Huh?
You disgust me. Get the hell out of my sight.
Get
Out of my sight.
Listen, come.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Jagaban. It's me, Jagaban. If I the Jagaban. Well, no problem. You know me, anything I want, I must get it. I'm going out now, just go into my room. Lie down and spread your legs. Let me do the needful. You must enjoy it. Your husband is dead and gone. Let the living enjoy themselves. I'm coming back, okay? If I enter you, sir, you enjoy it. Your husband, the late idiot, he doesn't have strength. He's Ajebo, 5 seconds man. In fact, 3 seconds. I will knock you for 1 hour and you're rejecting me. I'll come back for you, my dear. Mommy.
I need you to come now. My wife is in danger.
Why? What? Not you, Mama. Walk now.
You see, if you don't come with me, he will hurt her.
What? Nagasike.
My brother now, my brother, of course, please.
I'm very busy.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I was just reacting to a song I'm writing.
Song, so you now write songs. Here.
You can see how
Mama, please, I'm heavily pressed. I need to go back to the
Here.
house.
Here.
I'll show you at the
Baby. If you go give Baby fasting. Be fast. Today is Monday. Customers they ring there. Be fast.
Stop.
It's okay now, so that you can go.
It's hot. No.
What did you even say happened to you?
I was attacked. Oh God.
Attacked by who?
Some men, 54 hefty men attacked me. You know I told you I was going to the bank.
Yes.
Yes, so I went to this bank close to the other neighboring village. As I was coming out, I noticed that two hefty men came to my front. I look at this man and I say, this face is why you following me. I said, okay, let me turn back and run. I noticed two already crossed me and the rest was history.
I hope they didn't touch the money. Jagaban, I hope the money is safe.
Are you talking about money or are you talking about what happened to me?
The money is very important and you know.
Stop. It's okay. They didn't touch the money. They didn't touch it. They didn't touch it. Network wasn't even strong that time I went there. So I was going to other bank before those guys attacked me.
Let me massage you.
Ah! Oh, it's okay.
So that go see your face.
Those guys, if I get them, imagine me, Jagaban. Jagaban like me, those guys, 4 hefty guys. No problem. No problem.
Why you not beat them then?
Imagine, it's okay. Let's go inside so we can continue this inside.
Are you sure?
Let's go inside.
Jagaban. Who giga Jagaban?
So these guys, I'm dealing with them. After you.
So, you're trying to tell me that I left this house for not up to 30 minutes and that idiot tried to molest you? Oh no, I think I've been so quiet. Like, I seriously need to teach him a good lesson.
No, Gloria, that won't be necessary.
What? Like, why? He tried to rape you and that's an abomination in this land.
Well, he didn't succeed.
What if he had?
Well, he didn't. And he has already been taken care of by the girl who saved me.
Girl. What girl are you talking about?
Some girl. I haven't even met her before. I've not seen her before. She just walked right into my room. As if somebody sent her. I don't know.
But how did she know you were in distress?
I don't know. She just came right into my room. I was just... Oh, she came right on time.
Oh, you see that guy? You see that your husband's brother? I bet you he will meet his match. You see that idiot? He will meet his match. That idiot. He will meet his match.
Hi! This life, you can imagine the almighty
Mens.
Abro. Eh? Hey! Come on, sister. Come on, enjoy your sister. You're not drunk, is he, boy?
Mens.
Come on, sister.
At least he will not go about molesting girls anymore.
He can't even approach you anymore.
Where? Hey!
Almighty Abba. They took a show on now. There's a sort of one don't mind it, that's Almighty Abba. You can take come.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Fine day.
I'm just coming from your house now. Your mother told me that you went out.
Okay.
I wanted to thank you for the other day. Yeah, I have never felt this peace for a long time in this village. Abulo and his boys has been disturbing me. And since that day, he didn't even pay attention to me. I even went to his house as usual and he told me to get out, never to return again.
Fine. I am happy you're free from his bondage. If he ever tries coming back to you, don't hesitate to let me know.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right.
Always wear good clothes. Okay. So men will stop raping you.
Yes, sir.
So
Mama Nezia. Mama.
You didn't get your phone. This one has been ringing now.
Yes. Who is the caller? Hello? Hello? Yes, this is Ifoma. Oh, okay. Yes, I'm fine. You and your colleague came here the other day now. Okay. All right. Tomorrow? What happened? Okay, I'll be there tomorrow. Okay. Yes, I'll be there tomorrow morning. Thank you. Bye.
Who's that?
The pension office.
What do they want?
I don't know. They want me to come to the office tomorrow morning. So maybe when I get there, I'll find out.
I just hope it's for good, sha.
It will be for good, do Mo.
I'm still
Are you done?
No, it's
Okay.
very small.
I've told you, don't stop doing this. It will hurt my child. Okay, please, let me help you. What did he do?
Be fast now.
Mama, I'll come.
I'm so hungry.
My eyes calling me. I'm offering Salah.
Hey! Hey, my God, okay.
Oh, not now.
What?
Mama, not you.
Please, Ebube, I need you to come. My wife is in danger. He wants to kill her.
Eat
please.
now. What is the problem?
Mama, I'll eat later.
What is the problem?
Mama,
What is the problem now?
Mama,
Amen.
I'll be back soon. I'll be back now.
Baby, where are you going to?
I'm coming, Mama.
Listen, I don't know what I saw. I mean, this girl practically stopped her from eating. As if she was there or planned this. As if she was there when all this started. Yes, I don't know who that girl is, but this is the second time she is standing in my way.
Second time?
Yes.
When was the first time and why didn't you tell me?
The first time was nothing serious. But that girl is a witch. Yes, she's a big witch. And that's the only explanation to this.
What's her name?
Oh.
Mama, where have you been? My friend, my old friend. Which of them? Mama, you know this friend.
Oh, baby, you've made other friends, but super friend of yours came here looking for you. Ebube, when were you planning to tell me? Ebube, when were you planning to tell me? Don't play with me. I had everything. How could you hide something from your mother? Do you know the implication of what you are doing? Ebube, do you know what you have gotten yourself involved in when we are students in this village? We are strangers. Nemo! Nemo!
Ma, I've not done anything wrong. I did not request to see what I'm seeing. And ever since I started seeing it, my life has never been the same.
And whatever you are seeing or doing must stop. It must stop.
What do you know? I'm asking you, what do you know? I'm asking you, I'm talking to you, talk to me. What do you know? I am aware you have several encounters with her. What can we do? Eh? She's coming between my husband and his inheritance.
The truth is that I didn't know where she acquires powers from. She and her mother used to be my slaves. And I could do whatever I wish with them.
She and Anna used to be my slave. So the almighty Aboro, a little girl dealt with you.
Shame on you. What's the meaning?
Yeah. This is not necessary.
I'm Jagabado.
This is not necessary. You to shut up. Eh?
Huh?
This is not necessary, I beg.
No, you don't follow me to talk now.
Ablo, calm down. Calm down.
No, you can hear him. All I was black now. I heard the other time he dealt with you. I hear you are talking. Eh?
What can we do? We are here to find solution.
It's alright. I will do whatever I want you to do. Unless you are willing to pay.
I will pay. Eh? Yes, I will pay.
We are doing this because of you.
You are doing this because of who? As in how?
I know.
Who is she to you that you're doing this because of her?
Jagaba,
Yeah, respect yourself. If you want to do something, don't say because of her. Because she came for you for help, that doesn't mean that you lost. Yeah.
No, what's wrong with this guy?
Why you're listening to this news, I will break it down on your head. 2 seconds.
Here.
You need to give me a minute now.
No, when you break the house,
Shut your mouth! I'm not here to find solution.
Because of who now? Do it to pay your money. Don't be important.
No, me have law.
It's
You are
not-
more than a man.
A direct incarnation of the great grandmother who was unjustly killed by the people. Why? At that time, the king needed so much power. He was completely in control of everything and everyone. Nobody dared challenge his authority. Even the chief priests were afraid to confront him concerning his high-handedness because they were afraid of being killed.
So what happened next?
My grandmother, your great grandmother, had this special gift of seeing what the ordinary eyes will not see. So that the king would die a shameful death. But the prophecy could be averted if only he done a living. She was bold enough to confront the king with her revelation. The king, in his usual arrogance, accused her of treason and ordered that she be stoned to death.
She was killed just like that?
Yes. Just like that. And you are just like her. I don't want anything to happen to you.
But Mama, that was then. It doesn't happen now. We are living in different times.
You never can tell.
Mama, that was then.
You never can tell you. I don't want anything bad to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to you. You worry too much.
I will not survive this. You will must survive here. I've been having this strong punch. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Mama, don't worry yourself. Nothing will happen to you. Like I said, nothing.
Don't you think I will survive? Anything bad happens to you, I might not survive.
Just like I said,
please, please, stop.
When you worry too much, nothing will happen to me.
Hold on. Are you sure of what you heard?
It's like you're very strong. Eh? Did I tell you I have ear problem?
Hey! It's a lie. So, those idiotic pension officers deceived me. Eh? They took money away from me and cornered to pay informer, a total stranger in my house. Eh? No problem. There is no problem at all. You see those people, eh? I will get that money back. Eh? Well, it's about to be around for them because, I will never allow that to happen.
If this one thing will not solve anything, what are we going to do about it? Eh?
See, I swear to God, Makachuku, if I don't get that money, then nobody will get it. Nobody, nobody will get that money.
So what will you do to stop her?
Jagaban like me will go there and get that money. If I don't get it, nobody. How will a total stranger from nowhere come to my father's house and take money away like that now? It's not possible now. Who is that? Who is the former? A woman that Fuck, no problem. Not too much talk. Not too much talk.
Eh?
Hold on.
Hey. Only that I've planned what I will do with it. Eh? Jaga. Okay.
Stupid fools. Omomogo. I send you both on an errand. Simple instruction. Huh? Simple instruction, I no go fit carry. Ntike. Ebo Mogo. How come I no get one single person with common sense around me? Huh? Why you no come execute the main person who I send you now?
My supreme, I reach you there deliver, but we no say no be how.
You are a fool. Ibes bonyala. Ntiki bonyala Ebo Mogo. I don't want you to smoke all this thing where you smoke. But you not good for your head. If you are not smoking, you are drinking. You don't make cause up here. Lichawo. Onye lileli. Simple instruction, you know if you carry. Mamugo. Tell you what you go do, you know if you do am. You hear the tell me say no, say that the person. How will you know?
Papa, you say that
If you talk now, one name chat on the other bar, shut up, boys. God will give you inspiration. Odubo.
Senior man, no as we read there, we'll not see the person. Say we'll say more drop message.
What's senior man? No, you don't know him. I don't know what you do. Huh? No, you better don't know what you commit now, Abi.
Senior man.
Somewhere. To lad will make I tell you my side. Like that will be that one.
My bingo.
I am sorry for the death of your mother.
You're not sorry. You're not sorry. You let her kill my mother. This is not fair. You told me you see things before they happen. Why didn't you warn me about them? Okay, fine. You pushed me away so they can kill my mother for your own interest.
Ebube, let me...
Now I understand. You pushed me away so they can kill my mother instead of me. For your own interest. I have never gone out at midnight to ease myself. Why that night?
Look, Ebube, I could just explain this to you.
Is it true or not? Is it true?
Ebube, let me explain to you, okay?
So it's true. You let her kill my mother. I hate you for this betrayal. I hate you. Please, don't come to me. Don't even tell me to calm down. Don't even tell me to calm down. Don't even come to me again, please.
Please, what of my wife, my unborn child?
Your wife and your unborn child, they can join you in here. I don't care.
Hey, so they finally paid that money.
Yeah, they finally paid the money.
Hey.
At first, I did not believe it. I did not even think it was real. You know how these government people are with their promise and fail. But Nene, they have paid the money. Diego allowed it to go.
Hey.
I thank God. I just thank God.
This is good news. Like, you don't even know how excited I am now. I am very, very happy. Like, as if the money came direct to my account. I know you're not giving me anything. Hey, oh, my friend.
I'm not like
I'm okay. Yeah, to my friend. I'm gonna buy, even if it's small, so like I can use and go and buy some clothes. You know, I like and see if this my hair will serve, if I can start making it.
The thing is, first of all, I will have to take care of money.
I was even about asking you what you be doing with that money, sir. Because you said maybe you start going, now that the money has landed, you start eating all those things you've not been eating since.
For what? Mama's health is important to me. Okay. I want Mama to get well first. I need her to be well. So I'm going to pay for her hospital and medical bills, everything, and make sure she's alright. Okay. And then I can now buy things for the baby.
Very, very important.
After buying things for the baby, I'll give Ifeanyi his own share of the money. And then the rest, I'll use it and start a business.
Are you okay? Are you normal?
How do you mean?
I need you to answer that question. Have you gone nuts?
I don't understand.
How on earth will you involve Ifeanyi in that money? How? No, you need to answer me how. Because I don't see the reasons why you should do that. Okay, in case you have forgotten what that boy has been doing to you in this house, I need to remind you. Firstly, he tried to rape you. Secondly, he tried to poison you. And you're here including him in the money? Tell me something is actually wrong with your head, then I will believe you.
See, Gloria, I know all you're saying is true. Yes, I understand that. I'm maybe in Nigeria, but let's not forget that this is his father's money. It's not my father's money, it's his own father's pension. So there's no way I cannot give him. If I don't give him, prosperity will hold it against me. But no matter what he has done, the right thing is to give him his own share. And that's it. And that's what I'm going to do.
Fine. I was angry though, but I don't think I'm still angry because after all, he's going to lavish the money. Because that boy is too useless to even have. For you to give him even 5,000 naira, he will mismanage it. He will eat it anyhow.
That will be his own business. As long as I've given him his own share, I'll take my hands off. I've done the right thing. That is my own concern.
Nah, but this is your decision. You need to think it twice, oh. You seriously need to think it because I'm not liking it. Left for me alone, I'm going to hold that boy in this house because I know he cannot even work to take care of himself.
No, you still have to give him. No matter how the devil is, you still have to give. Where cases and here cases are coming out. That's what I mean.
It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. God will punish you. God will punish you for fighting me and taking my husband's property. Taking the documents that for the land that also belongs to my husband. You will not see anything good in your life. You will not see anything good with your life, Maggie.
Hey, where's Jagaban? What's all this? Where's Jack?
Hello.
What kept you? Eh?
I'm sorry.
Who else I can call him?
I'm sorry.
Where is it? Where's your bag?
Bag.
I thought you said you'd be going to the city. Immediately said that.
I know. Let's say this land first. Bag and anything is not a problem. Let's say this land and take it. Hold on. Let's go. Let's go. How's the man there?
He's there. He has been calling since.
Sorry.
see you again, please.
Please, Ebube. I am sorry for what happened, please. It's about my wife, my child. They need help, please.
I believe there are people who can take them to the hospital. So why are you disturbing me?
Please. There is no way they will make it before getting to the hospital. They will die. Please help me.
Oh, so you know so much about life and death and you allow them to kill my mother. You are wicked and heartless. Please, I don't want to have anything to do with the dead. I just buried my mother. I should be allowed to rest. Go to hell.
Please. Ebube. Ebube, please. Ebube, please. Ebube, please. Please. Ebube. Ebube, please. Please, Ebube. Ebube.
Please. I know you're a ghost and you can be anywhere at any time. But please, respect boundaries. Did you hear me? Ebube. Respect boundaries.
Ebube, please, Ebube. Ebube, please. Ebube. Ebube.
Somebody help me! You can't take her to the hospital. She won't make it. What? Why? We have to take her inside.
No, she needs to get to the hospital now. The baby needs to survive. Do you want? You'll be fine. Just take it easy on yourself. Okay, take it easy. You'll be fine. Take it easy.
Finally, you are happy now.
Yes. But I need you to do me one more favor.
What?
I need you to go tell my wife to name the baby after me.
Okay, I will do as you say.
Thank you. There is someone who can't wait to kiss you.
Who?
Chigo.
Okay. Thank you for the experience. So, finally it's over.
God of vengeance, come and vindicate me. God of victory, come